started.
Yeah.
Black hole. The black hole. A black hole is a region of space where the gravity is too strong that nothing can pass through it. Light also can't pass through it and it looks pure dark. Black holes are measured in terms of its size and mass.
So you keep your mic close to your mouth so that we can hear properly.
Sir, can you hear?
Yeah, now better.
How do black hole forms? When anything is compressed at its gravity becomes the speed of light, then it becomes a black hole. But this happens automatically in space when a star comes to end of its life and collapses into a smaller size for less reduces of fuel. Parts of black hole. There are two parts of the black hole. First, the event horizon. This is the part from where nothing can escape. This is also called the point of no return. Singularity. This is the part where all matter inside the black hole is being compressed. This is also called the point of death. Types of black holes. Primordial black holes. These holes are a hypothetical type of black holes which formed soon after the Big Bang. Stellar black holes. These black holes form when a very massive star starts collapsing upon itself into a smaller size, or less reduces of fuel and forms a very massive black hole. Supermassive black hole. This black hole forms when two black holes collapses each other and forms a bigger and more massive black hole. The white hole. White holes are exact opposite side of black holes. It throws out all the material which is inside the black hole. White holes never lets anyone go inside it. Thank you.